Ask these 10 questions while negotiating pricing and contracts with your client to maximize your profitability. They will help you gather important information about your prospects' goals, budget, expectations, and specific needs. By understanding what they really want and need, you can tailor the negotiation for maximizing profitability while showing a genuine interest in meeting their needs. Both you and the client wins. Since time is money and we're maximizing for profitability, let's dive straight into it. Number 1, what specific goals or outcomes are you looking to achieve with this project? When you ask about the specific goals or outcomes your client wants to achieve, it helps you understand their objectives. This knowledge then allows you to customize your services in a way that directly supports their goals. By delivering results that align with their objectives, you provide value, increase client satisfaction, and potential for future business with them. 2, in order for you to consider this project a success, what does the outcome look like? When you ask the client how they define success of the project, you get a clear understanding of their expectations and their desired outcomes. This allows you to align your work and deliverables with their vision, increasing the likelihood of meeting or even exceeding their expectations. By doing so, you establish a strong client relationship built on trust and satisfaction, which is crucial for long-term success and future business collaborations. 3, what budget are you looking to spend on this project? Don't feel bad asking about their budget, as this is very insightful in fact. Asking about their budget gives you a clear understanding of your client's financial limitations and expectations. This allows you to propose suitable pricing options they actually can afford while still ensuring profitability for your business. And it also helps you avoid potential misunderstandings or conflicts about the price or budget of the project. 4, are you the only person in charge of this project and budget? If their answer is no, you might want to offer rescheduling the meeting to a time where all decisive parties are involved. When you ask about decision-making authority, you ensure that you're interacting with the relevant individuals who have the authority to make decisions and approve budgets. By involving all essential people in the negotiation process, you minimize the risk of delays and miscommunication. This will make sure that everybody's on the same page about the project size and pricing, which results in a more effective and efficient decision-making process. 5, what is the timeline for the completion of this project? Asking about the client's timeline or deadline requirements will help you to understand the client's availability and urgency. This is very important because this allows you to determine if you can reach the desired goal in the desired time frame. And when they don't have a clear deadline, set one together with them, because guiding your client increases perceived value. Number 6, have you worked with photographers and videographers in the past? If so, what was your experience like, and why did you reach out to us? Learning about the client's past experiences with creators provides you with valuable insights about the client's expectations, preferences, and pain points. Understanding their motivations for choosing your services allows you to address any concerns, highlight what makes you unique, and position yourself to a solution to their specific needs. All of this will increase the likelihood of you securing the project. 7, other than the discussed points, are there any other services or deliverables you would like to include in the project? By asking about any extra things or services they may want, you're showing that you're open to meeting the client's specific requests or preferences. This can create opportunities to offer additional services that can improve the final result of the project, benefiting both you and the client. It also shows that you're adaptable and focused on making the client happy, which helps create a positive experience for them. 8, what particular challenges or constraints should I be aware of when planning the project? Understanding the challenges or constraints that come with the project allows you to proactively address them in your proposal and pricing. By considering these factors up front, you can offer tailored solutions that optimize resources, avoid risks, and maximizing for profitability while also meeting the client's needs and expectations. 9, what is the potential long-term value or impact of this project for your business? By considering the long-term value or impact of the project, you can understand how important the client and project are to your overall strategy, and this will help you make decisions about where to invest your time and resources. It also allows you to explore opportunities for long-term contracts or ongoing projects that provide a stable income over time. Then, are there any other factors that are important to you in the decision-making process? It will show that you're dedicated to understanding their situation and their specific needs. This allows you to customize your proposal and pricing to those requirements, demonstrating that you genuinely want them to succeed and are willing to make extra efforts to meet their expectations. It also helps you stand out from competitors by offering a personalized and client-focused approach. If you have asked all 10 of these questions, you will have a good understanding of what your client expects, wants, and needs. The client will feel understood and involved prior to signing any contract, putting you one step ahead of any other creators they might be talking to. Remember to listen actively, offer value, and showcase your expertise during the entire negotiation process. The goal is to find a solution where you and the client wins. Everybody wins. There's a link in the description with a free download to a PDF that contains all 10 of these questions to make sure that you're well prepared for your next negotiation. A like and subscribe would be much appreciated if there's any value you could take from this video, and let me know in the comments down below if you feel like there's another question we should add to that list. Now go sign that client. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.